Just a few more rows before we go inside. It looks like a quiet day inside today, little one.
I did not think you would visit in this weather.
Who says we need the beach for a picnic? Everything tastes better when shared with friends. The rain has stopped. Who wants to go back to the fields for the last of the corn? Smell that? The earth is so happy after the rain. Here you go, son. A perfect cob.
Wow, it's huge! Thanks, Father.
Found one. And another one. That is a perfect harvest. Let's head back for a celebration. We made it back just in time. Thank you for all the help today, friend. See you tomorrow.
Today, we finish our knitting projects, little one.
Good morning! I brought more milk for our work day.
This one is even bigger than yesterday.
Look! I found a shiny one!
Almost finished. This will keep us warm. Time for one last trip to the fields, little ones. Breakfast is ready, little one.
Wow, that smells yummy, Dad.
Everything is ready. Let's go.
Look at these golden tassels. The corn is perfect today. I'm here to help. My backpack is empty and ready for potatoes.
Nothing beats the smell of fresh corn by the ocean. A long day, but a good one. Sleep well, little ones.
Another beautiful day is waiting for us.
Everyone aboard! We have a big harvest ahead!
Just in time! I brought a snack for the workers.
Found one. It is so big and purple.
Almost ready, little ones. The best meal is the one we grow ourselves.
Today we make something special with our corn, little one. One more trip to see the Corgi. Hold on tight.
You're back! Ready to dig for the last of the sweet potatoes?
Picnic time! The seaside is the best place to cook our harvest.
Tastes much better with the salt in the air, doesn't it?
Time to wake up, little ones. We have one more day of work.
All aboard! Let's go see if our Corgi friend is ready! You're just in time! The sweet potatoes are ready to be unearthed!
Last stop, everyone. The beach is the perfect place for our feast.
Everything tastes better when you harvest it with friends. Another big day ahead, my little ones. All aboard! Let's go see our Corgi friend one last time. Just in time! I found a perfect spot for the harvest.
To the beach! It is the perfect place for a feast.
Everything tastes better when you grow it with friends. Good morning, little ones. Time to see what the new day brings.
Everyone aboard! Let's go see our Corgi friend.
You're here. I found a perfect spot for digging. To the beach. It is the perfect place for our harvest feast. Everything tastes better when you grow it with your best friends. Good morning, little ones. Time to see what the new day brings. Everyone aboard! Let's go see our Corgi friend. You're here! I found a perfect spot for digging.
To the beach! It is the perfect place for our harvest feast.
Everything tastes better when you grow it with your best friends. Another big day ahead, my little ones. All aboard! Let's go see our Corgi friend one last time. You're just in time! I found a perfect spot for the harvest.